So this started off as a let's make an arrangement video, but things got out of hand. So this is a chaotic flower vlog. I am making an arrangement with my zinnias, pretty much everything. You'll see, even the arrangement ends up being chaotic. So this is what we're working with so far. I tried to be artsy with this shot, but I don't think it was giving. Anyways, I added my rudbeckias, some marigolds, some cosmos. What else did I add in there? Oh, and then a few black-eyed Susans, because I've been neglecting those flowers for a while. It's cute though, it's all over the place, but this is like all the flowers that I'm growing in my garden in one vase. And then I started to save seeds because I started chopping down all my flowers like a madman. These are zinnias. I just realized that the flowers need to go. They're shading out the zucchini, they're shading out the other bed, they're dying. Might as well take them out, make room for more. These are black-eyed Susans. And then why not, while I'm out here, while I have the jars out here, I'm saving some marigold seeds as well. They're not a lot, just a few, but that's fine. And then some Cosmo seeds. I know these aren't completely dead yet, and I don't even know if I can save them, but I'm gonna try. I brought out this coffee mug because I wanted to put the rest of the Cosmos in there, but I ended up filling it with marigolds. I was getting inspired by those like compact rose arrangements, if you know what I'm talking about. I thought it came out super cute. If I'm being honest, I hardly ever bring marigolds into the house, so I love that. This is pretty much everything I harvested. Oh yeah, and then when I was chopping down my zinnias, I saw a baby lizard and the mom. I felt so bad that I disturbed their home, so I stopped chopping down from here. What's crazy is that I saw two lizards mating in the back of my zinnias a few weeks ago, and now there's a bunch of babies running around everywhere, and I guess the dad bounced. And you can see I just made way more room. The other bed can start thriving now, and honestly, the flowers were getting on my nerves with how much they were falling over. This is everything I brought inside today. Oh, I also got these tomatoes. I want to keep calling them bunny bests. They're not. But yeah, it feels like I got a lot done today, so cheers.